Hello and welcome. I'm Amy from Videoly, and I'm here with you to discuss how to leverage the power of product videos in online stores. Are you ready and all buckled up? Let's get started. So, why should we care about product videos in the first place? In today's highly visual and competitive digital environment, capturing the attention of online shoppers and driving conversions is challenging. Product videos add that little something that physical stores have: the opportunity to see and fully understand the core functionalities of the products. Product videos help you explain your products and offering better, enhance the online shopping experience, build trust and credibility, increase engagement and conversion rates. So, how can you use product video in e-commerce? Let's go through a few crucial elements. What do you want to achieve with your video? Are you looking to increase sales, reduce returns, build trust and credibility, or reinforce your brand? Start by understanding your goal that will help you guide your entire video strategy. Like not every actor makes it in Hollywood, not every product is worth the big screen. Focus your efforts on products that benefit from video the most. Complex products benefit from detailed instructions, additional angles, and being presented in a context. Furthermore, high-end products that require extra validation also make great subjects for videos. Product videos should always offer your customers the information they wouldn't get as easily in writing or just by looking at an image. Be as informative as possible and showcase your product's key functionalities, features, and appearance. Viewers should leave your video with a clear understanding of what your product can do for them and if it's indeed the right choice for their needs. Video is also a great way to appeal to emotions. This is why the best product videos tell a story your viewer can connect to. You've probably heard the saying that a picture is worth 1,000 words. Well, think of a video as being worth 1,000,000 images. It's that powerful. Videos can tell stories, build excitement, capture interest, and evoke emotions. All great qualities when wanting to increase your visitors' shopping appetite. Seeing is believing, especially for skeptical shoppers. With product videos, you also have the opportunity to show relevant, real-life examples for social proof. If you can add user-generated content, even better. People are more likely to believe other users like them more than obvious sales pitches. And lastly, always remember to measure your product video performance. Make sure you have the necessary tools to measure effectively and keep an eye on metrics like views, engagement, and conversion rates. This data will help you refine your approach and understand what kind of product videos you need to improve your e-commerce or channel sales. So, there we have it. Choose your goals and keep in mind what you're aiming to achieve with the video. Make sure you show videos for relevant products and fill in gaps that images and product descriptions leave behind. Choose videos that tell an engaging and useful story to the user. Measure performance of videos and use tools that help you leverage the data. Read more tips and tricks regarding product videos on our blog.